8 unexpected health benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is a must-have staple in every household. From being the wonder ingredient that gives your baked goods their delightful rise to cleaning soiled surfaces and unclogging drains, its versatility is absolutely mind-blowing. Surprisingly, that's not everything that this resourceful essential can do. Due to its physical and chemical properties, baking soda also has some amazing benefits that can transform your health inside and out. The fact that its consumption is as easy as just adding a teaspoon to a glass of water only adds to the many feathers in the cap of this powerful ingredient. Let's take a dive into 8 reasons why baking soda is your health's best friend. Number 1. Cures fungal and bacterial infections. For every medicine that science has found to cure bacterial and fungal infections, these nasty little organisms have come back stronger. But who knew that all we needed to do was slide into our kitchens and grab that box of baking soda instead of running to the pharmacy? Well, if bacterial or fungal infections are your problem, then baking soda is your solution. From fighting tooth decay by targeting the evil Streptococcus mutans, to effectively relieving yeast infections, molds and dermatophytes that cause skin and nail infections, baking soda is your knight in shining armor. Number 2. Boosts functioning of the kidneys. While we enjoy our food and drinks, our kidneys must deal with all the unwanted ingredients that make their way into our system. They're the designated purifiers in our body, filtering out all the contaminants and toxins, ensuring our body stays healthy. Baking soda is known to act as an amazing catalyst that can help boost the functioning of our kidneys by minimizing the acidity and sharing the load of all the work that our kidneys do. This health benefit is supported by research that proves that people who consume baking soda have healthier, better functioning kidneys in the long run. Number 3. Effective against urinary tract infections. UTIs are a common problem across all age groups, with the frequency of their occurrence increasing with age. While antibiotics can help fight UTIs, they are never easy to deal with, considering all the accompanying symptoms such as running a high temperature, experiencing pain, and even blood in the urine. But it's a relief to know that there are ways we can keep UTIs at bay and be proactive about their treatment. The powerful chemical properties of baking soda help fight high acid levels in the body, which prevents UTIs from developing in the first place, while having calming effects in case of an active infection. Number 4. Fights acid reflux. The stomach produces strong digestive acids to help break down all the food that you consume. Sometimes, though, its acidic intensity can be a bit too much, which can cause it to rise back into your esophagus, thereby irritating the soft tissues that line it. This leads to acid reflux, an uncomfortable burning sensation that spans across your chest and abdomen. Consumption of baking soda is an effective way to fight against acid reflux, since it can help balance stomach acidity. Number 5. Reduces fatigue and relaxes muscles. A painful side effect of high-intensity workouts is muscle stiffness induced by lactic acid production. Like any other acid in the body, a high amount of lactic acid in your muscles can reduce your flexibility, making it more challenging to accomplish your workout goals with each passing day. It wouldn't be too much of a stretch to call baking soda your post-workout buddy, as it is known to reduce muscle stiffness by offsetting all that lactic acid in your muscles. Set aside some warm water with 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda mixed in it, and soak all the stiffness away. If you're looking for ways to fight post-workout fatigue or improve your workout performance, taking baking soda might be your answer. Number 6. Calms irritated skin. The skin is the largest and most exposed organ of the body, thereby being the most susceptible to external irritants. From pollution-induced dryness and dehydration to insect-induced itches, no wonder it ends up irritated. Baking soda is your antidote to all those irritants, as it can soothe and calm your skin. Enjoy a warm bath with some baking soda, or use it as a spot treatment by mixing it with some water and applying the paste to the affected area. Number 7. Fights acne and reduces inflammation. No one is spared from the evil that is acne. While the problem is more common in teenagers, there are countless adults dealing with the worst acne flares of their lives. From attacking people's confidence levels to making them question their sense of self-worth, acne is an ugly, painful addition to our lives that we'd like to get rid of as soon as possible. With the market flooding with anti-acne products, people often end up confused and broke in their search for an effective solution. But all you need to do is spend a few dollars to buy a box of baking soda. From being an excellent calming and soothing agent, to bringing down inflammation and mitigating pain, baking soda can help fight acne flares and get rid of all the bacteria that cause them in the first place. Number 8. Improves effectiveness of cancer treatment. It is a well-known fact that chemotherapy is an effective cancer treatment that can help stop cancer if detected and treated in early stages. In other cases, chemotherapy is known to drastically reduce the speed at which cancer develops in the body. A lesser-known fact is that if the body has lower levels of acid, chemotherapy can prove to be even more effective. Research shows that baking soda, with its acid-fighting superpower, can help manage acid levels in the body, thereby helping chemotherapy have longer-lasting effects on people with cancer. While more research is required to make more substantial claims, the data we have now is enough to show that making baking soda a part of your diet will help. A healthy body is just a box of baking soda away. Who knew that there's so much potential in this magical powder that quietly sits on the shelves of every grocery store, and at such an affordable price? So, how do you use baking soda? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.